Hello everybody, XJoe81X here, and on the tubes today, we're going to be doing a walkthrough. A walkthrough of the first floor of the Great Wolf Lodge. You come out of the elevator. Here is the entrance that opens from 10 and closes till 8. This is the only way in and out of this pool area, other than emergencies. So they did a lot of construction. They totally redid the first floor. We'll go left and right another time. So the first thing I recommend, or remember, sorry, very early, is that Hungry as a Wolf was in the hallway. And this whole area was under construction when we were here 2 full years ago. So here's another thing you could eat. Here it is, now serving breakfast. Oh, I did not know that. This is open from 7 to 10:30. Obviously, it's open later. You could get pizza whenever. Okay, so this is called Freshwoods Market. This has all your overpriced stuff that you think you need. Obviously, there's wine, beer, soda, apple juice, Doritos. Sometimes you just get in the car and drive here, I guess, and don't realize there's other things to do. There's popcorn, like I said, there's sandwiches, pizza. This is the game room. I'll walk around in a minute. I do not think anything drastically changed. When you turn the corner, oh Lord, everything runs on Dunkin. Again, this whole hallway, the pizzeria actually used to be down there. This whole hallway was under construction. I think this is part 2 of 2 years ago. Dunkin is Dunkin. Everything now is a kiosk. There's one there, and there's 3 there. You cannot actually even order anything. They don't want you to talk to anybody. At the end is the ice cream. Here's the restrooms. Oh yes, I think it was $8.75 for a sundae. Let's see if that changed. I think it was. I think it was. $8.75. Ah, yeah, $8.99, $9.99. The prices went up. If you choose to look at the menu and hit pause, and maybe that helps you, there's one menu. There's an advertisement, and there's another menu. Why it's crooked and someone touched it, I don't know. I think they were $8.75 2 years ago. Typical stuff. Nothing ever gets cleaned. You know? Again, listen. Your house, your apartment, your condo, your co-op, everything has a problem. Everything has a piece of paint. It's impossible. You cannot. Okay, down there is the bowling. That's still there. I'll take a look. You know what I'm trying to say? And you ask yourself, like, what hit? Like, what hit this? Like, well, why is, this video is not about that, but it is going to show you that nothing's perfect. There's absolutely nothing perfect. I'll make a video of my home, and it's not perfect. So here's a party den. A lot of doors. I'm sure you get to have a party. This is called Howl at the Moon. I think this is a black light miniature golf. Tin Pan Alley, which is bowling, which is the small round balls. Nothing's changed. Everything, the hallway has changed, but these things have not. They call you pack members. You're a pack member. So you come down here, and this is another wing of places to sleep. This is the 1,000 numbers. And that takes you all the way down there. So I'm not going to bore you. We're going to go to the game room. Whee! Okay, back down to the hallway here. We're going to go into the game room and take a look and see all the fun games, boys and girls. Oh my word. China, China, China. I should look for my children because they were allegedly down here. There they are, breaking things. So you have your typical games. I do not know what's moved and or changed due to the fact that there are a lot of lights, and after 2 years, I don't remember. Uh-oh, something that blows bubbles. Oh, God. So, ticket picker-upper, wheel of tickets, Plinko. Oh, wow, Plinko. I don't think this was here last time. Sometimes if you look closely, everything's printed like a date, you know, because they manufacture it. Yes, there we are. We got your beanbag throw. We have your skee ball, which is now ice ball here, but don't get mistaken, it's still skee ball. Your shooter-up games, excuse me, your Jurassic Park, your Halo, bikes. All right, we're gonna take a look around. Okay, let's get right back in it. Monopoly roll, piano keys. Little donkey wonky sat on a hunky punky. Hello. Oh, whack-a-mole, which is now a clown. Boy surfer. These kids are crazy. Are they mine? Are they yours? I don't know. Lollipops. Oh, somebody took a picture and left it. Shitalian. Okay, photo. Hamburgers. SpongeBob SquarePants. Cheeseburger. Oh, you go into here. This is cool. You probably have to collect things or something. You could also come down and make a right and enter this way. There's another hallway down here with rooms. Let's see if they changed the price. Please refer to part 2 of 2 years ago. You could hit pause to see if the prices went up or down. Down. Once again, this is the game room on level 1, adjacent to the water park. Thank you very much for watching so far. This is my XJoe81 family vacation of May of 2024. Once again, I was here in May of 2022, almost to the day and week. We're walking around part 2 of this 3 or 4 part series, and we're in the game room showing you what the current games are for this location in Pennsylvania. Boop. Some stuff. Oh, look at this big thing. Family fun, step right up, stinky feet, stinky feet. Taj Mahal. There's a lot of balls in there for a reason, because it probably doesn't work the way you want it to. The middle one is working, this one's not. Or, uh-oh. What? They press the buttons and they like to just watch the lights and stuff. That's really it. Again, there's food, the water park, and that's about it. I don't know what to say. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, then you can very, very much tell me. There's something here called mining. It's $19.99. I think what it does is allows you to probably fakely mine something. Step 1 is to explore. Step 2 is discover. $20. This is Magic Quest. If you watched my last series, this is the name that I forgot to tell you. Magic Quest. You get a plastic wand about 12 to 18 inches. There they are. You get that activated. You spend money. You get to pick and choose reds and greens, blues, purples. You could have a whole entire overpriced thing. You take that wand that has an electronic tip, and you come here, zoom, and it turns it on, and it tells you where to go. And allegedly, you could leave your kids, depending on age, you could leave them alone. And right here tells you where the quests are. So now it may say, you must go to Forever Falls. Now you got to go all the way up to 4 to Forever Falls. And then you watch a video, and then it says, you must go to Telltale. So now you got to come back down to 3. So the concept is great. It's dated. But I think the concept of it was to let your kids run around the park unsupervised and just smack plastic wands at these things. So level 1. Looks like that's in the books. Once again, this is the only entrance and exit to the park other than emergencies. Take a look at the park right here. You really can't see anything. I'm sure there's a camera above me, so you can't bring in glass. You shouldn't bring in alcohol. A wristband is required. This is my wristband for the year of 2024. It's red. $sign means that there is a credit card attached to it, so we could purchase food. Dippin' Dots is in there. We'll get a touch upon this in the next video. Hit like, hit subscribe, and thank you for watching another part of my trip to the Great Wolf Lodge in Pennsylvania. Hit like, hit subscribe, and ask questions, comments, concerns. Stop what you're doing right now and watch the parts that are in the description. Those are from 2 years ago. Some things have changed. Some things have not changed. Some things are dirtier. Thank you.